Nag-lunch na kayo?
Opo.
Pero hindi na mag-story open nila. Dalawa lang. Tapos hindi tayo.
Mas malinis naman na ngayon, no?
Notes. Pwede bang kuha? Isa lang. Sino yung meron?
Meron siya, di ba?
Naka-take note nung last night. Last night. Si Mr. Mark, can we get a pen and a paper? Ma'am, can we, pwede na po ba sabihin yung good news? Kasi, uulit-ulit yung lecture kasi you will ma-apply nito on the second season of Camera. So, refreshment na. Okay? Sino na yung pumunta na siya? Kumain ba? Ba't yung magsimay? Harap tayo dito. Dito kayo. Hindi naman. Kayo yung magiging leader ng group. I mean, you would be the second teacher. Alam niyo yan? Which is great. Right. Which is great. Look, is it okay with you? Is it great? Diba? Alam nyo, nung pag-workshop ko sa ABS-CBN, isa yun sa kinahunting ko na maging teacher's assistant kasi marami ka talaga matututunan. No? Diba? What? Question?
Baka mag-kailangan mag-drawing sa akin.
Ha?
Ano? Ano na yun?
Magkala rin kung sa
Why is it no monitor? It's sleepy. Siguro sa boses ko, it's kasi yung monitor, sobrang lakas naman, di ba? Sobrang lakas. You can, ano lang yung monitor. Yan, low down. Pero kung wala talagang monitor, of course, isa pa yun sa mga distracts. Audience. Why audience? Bakit naging distraction yung audience?
Ewan ka.
That's why.
Dali.
Sa mga grupo, guwapo ra.
Iba kita ko sa Manila.
Mani. Ito asawa no?
Ha? Wa pa ni.
Dahil waro ng buto mo na.
Piso. Ngawat na yung piso. Piso.
Ha?
Oh, wala naman. Ganyan naman talaga yan.
Sabi.
Nagpabango ba kayo?
Oo.
Ano sabi na? Lok?
Naka.
Ikaw wala ka.
Huwag ka maingay ha. Sinati lang yan ha.
Nalaman ni Mark.
Already! Sino mga? Boys, upo sa sahig.
Ayaw ko nga. Kasi lang, formal na lang.
Yan ba yung isa?
Siyan daw.
Sa likod ka.
Kasha ba? Kasha?
Bilian? 1,000. Kitchen mo dyan.
Wag mo na yung maki.
Waiter.
Ay, si Debbie! Oh, Debbie!
Debbie, wala.
Debbie!
Yung dito ka lang. Sinabi niyo ako. Sama naman si Rena. Ito pala Shukoy.
Mars! Come here!
Walking in?
O, bakit daw?
Hi, Mars! Hi,
Asan yung remote?
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to TM Baby Care and Activity Center. We will start the kakakaklan in a while. May inaantay pa tayo ng konti.
Double page.
Mary Joy, Norway. She wrote it at 9 o'clock today. Before, nung una akong pumasok dito, talagang hiya ako. Kasi wala akong kilala maliban sa pinsan ko. Pinilit lang ako ng auntie ko. So I grabbed my opportunity, my chance also. During. Kasi pinagpasulat ko sila ng before, during, and after. No? During. Masaya ako at nag-enjoy sa mga activities na ginawa namin. And except dancing, I discovered I have also talent in playing the keyboard, even if I'm not so good at it. Okay. After, marami akong natutunan dahil sa camp na ito, tulad ng face your fear, na mag-perform mag-isa, o group man. Have confidence in ourselves. At hindi ako nagsisisi na sumali ako dito. Yay! Lusot si Auntie! Kasi si Auntie yung namili kahapon, no? That's Mary Joy. Mary Joy is also an incoming fourth year of the Libertad National Vocational School. And as a result of this camp, she will be the, kumbaga, emissary. Siya yung aming guardian angel na magpopromote ng Camp Rock sa Libertad, which I am trying to target as the conduit in Antique. At first, I was planning San Jose. But then, eto na si Mary Joy, kilala niya lahat yung mga nandun sa kanyang school. And I said, it's God's will na vocational school yung aming conduit doon. For your information, sa lahat-lahat ng municipalities sa Bactan, you'll be there, and your children will be our assistant. Sila yung aming peer teachers. Kasi nasa kanila yung lahat ng repertoire, lahat ng mga ginawa ni Ma'am Yela na nakuha nila. So, madadalian na lang yung ating mga facilitators at saka yung ating mga experts sa music. At the gate, my heart is beating because I don't know anyone except my friend Ari. But then, Ephraim said hi to me and Ari. But then, when we started the session with Ma'am Yela and Ma'am Mel, I became more friendly with others. Then I met Nina, Elby, Winona, Joy, Debbie, Hannah Sel, Hugh, Raymart, Glass, Judel, and Mark. Yung guys na, no? Talagang naglibot, no? During. I really had fun because and again from April, the composer of IROC, 925, she wrote, nervous ako at first, syempre ikaw lang mag-isa, wala pang friends. I'm so happy, hindi sila nakaka-off yung camp na to. Very friendly si Mamiel na sumalubong sa akin, naligaw pa nga ako eh. Peer teaching with Mamiel was so amazing. Good morning with proper intonation, and I really want to share it with my officers and my family right away. Ma'am Gay is really the one who is a God's gift to me. Ginawa niya talaga ng paraan para makasali ako dito, and I will never regret it. In fact, she's one of my inspirations. I love dramatics talaga, and I love the lecture about it. It's very helpful sa school namin. Then, experience with the broad band, they gave me confidence to play instrument at maging very attentive sa guitar at keyboard. Kumakanta rin ako kahit hindi masyadong maganda ang boses ko. Ha ha ha. Dancing is one of my favorite skills, pero dito sa Camp Rock, watching and choreographer na si Ate Ana, Kuya Benjon, Kuya Te, Kuya Te, I love na hip-hop. Lolo Red ng Broadband, Kuya Jared, that's it, Kuya Jared. Thank you talaga sa pagturo mo ng guitar. I rock, you rock. We definitely rock. I love this camp ever. For a birthday ito, I'm a performer. April. April, ah? Ay, naku, sumasenyas. Sumasenyas si April doon. Sorry, April. May hinihintay pa kasi tayo eh. No?
Andito na may okay na.
Asa okay na. We can start. Akala ko nagpapatay lang ako ng time.
Oo, sana.
Sana. Okay, it's now from Nina. Alam niyo, si Nina, paborito ng lahat, lalo na ng boys. Lahat may crush kay Nina. Nasaan yung may crush dyan?
Si Raymart.
Si Raymart may crush kay Nina. Yay! Si Nina Dominic Johnson. Before, kala ko po, dance lang yun. Kala ko po, dance lang yung marunong ako. During, nakatry ako mag-guitar at nag-practice ng dance. After, medyo marunong na po ako ng guitar at mas marunong na po ako ngayong sumayaw. Tapos si Jillian, all I can do is dancing. I wasn't thinking of learning how to play any musical instrument. All I want is to dance. I was able to learn how to play the guitar. At least one song, I played the bass, which is interesting even though my finger is hurting. I wasn't expecting that I would have the chance to learn how to play it. After this camp rock, I would like to learn more so that whenever I see my musical instruments, I would be able to play with it because there was a time that I learned how to play and sing with it. Thank you so much, Julia. 8:56, this was written by Judea. Si Judea. I was nervous to express myself. During, I was able to express myself in playing the keyboard. Grabe si Judea sa keyboard, no? Parang naglalaro lang siya eh. After, I gained many lessons in keyboard with Tito John po. I like Ma'am Gay, Ma'am Torea, and also Luke. Aba, Luke, meron kang special na fan dito. Fan mo si Judea. Kalak ba lagi kayo nag-aaway? Okay. 8:56, this was written by Glance. Before, I don't know how to play drums. During, I trained hard to play drums. After, I learned lessons on playing drums, and I know drums. Thank you. John, that was John Raymart. No, that is Glance. No? People I like. Thanks, Ma'am Nel, Ma'am Gay, Judel, Mark, and Raymart. At 1 a.m. 9 a.m. is written by Ha Ha Ha. Ano kaya ito? Nagtatago. By Hannah Sell. We rock, Camp Rock. Before, first na pumasok ako dito sa Camp Rock, I was very nervous. Lahat naman yung sila nina-nervous kahapon no? And the other day. I'm very nervous na pala, as in super duper, mega ultra, major na kaba. Naku, outs. During then the session, parang I found it difficult to achieve the activities. After, here I am. This is me. This is truly me. I completed the activities and very successful. Ang dami kong natutunan. Pakiramdam ko, galing ko na. Uy, pakiramdam mo lang yun ha. Feeling ko lang yun. Ha ha ha. Thanks, Ma'am Torea, Ma'am Yela, Ma'am Gay, at kadaming Ma'am. Friends, dito, thank God talaga nagkaroon ako ng chance na maging participant in this event. And happy ako dito. Bonggang-bongga. Si Hannah Sel, bonggang-bongga. Tingnan nyo sumayaw si Hannah Sel. Mapapasayaw pati kayo. Okay. This one is from Glance. Alam niyo si Glance? Where is Glance? Glance! Si Glance na yan, hindi siya nag-i-stare. Hindi rin siya tumitingin. Glance lang ng glance. Glance ng glance. No? Ganun siyang katipid. Before, I don't want to play. but I trained the bass, but I trained hard. After, I learned how to play the bass. I learned our lesson from our teacher. I know how to project on the stage. Well, thank you, Ma'am Nel. Before, si Mark Christian. Mark, I'm shy and afraid to make highs and hellos. Not confident and not good in singing, sabi niya before. During, I've learned techniques to make my voice louder and whole. I've made now friends from different schools and places. I've also learned important things on the stage, choreography, and dancing as well. I'm not shy anymore. Talaga ba, Mark? I'm not shy anymore, and now I treat this stage as a sacred place for a performer. I've also learned to perform things at my best with my heart into it, heart essence. Yon ay si Mark Christian Flor. Ito naman kay Luke. Ano si Luke? John? Luke. Before, I thought my friends would be here. Tapos, during my singing and dancing improved a lot. After, I met new friends and teachers. Special mention. Mark, si Judel, si Raymart, si Glance. Nagmamahalan talaga yung apat. Oo. Okay. Finally, this is from LD Marie. Before, I'm not a good performer. Shy pa rin ako. And now, I need more confidence. During, they let us try all of the activities and was rated where you're best in. Trained us like professional performers. After, we were all polished and got the best of the best. We had all the confidence to perform, and the most important is, if you perform, nag-sermon pa, give not your 100%. You give your 101%, and with a whole heart, coming from LV Marie. Thank God may Kamprak Aklan. And finally, si Debbie. Where is Debbie now? Before, happy ako nung pumasok ako dito. Walang kakaba-kaba. During, natuto ako sumayaw at na-enhance yung boses ko. Medyo nahirapan lang ako kasi inaantok na ako kung gabi. Ayun. After, ako naman yon, okay naman yung experience ko dito sa Camp Rock, Aklan. Let's give the performers a big, big hand. Okay. Gusto ko marinig ang isang parent. Pwede? Sino sa isang parent ang gustong magsabi ng anything about their children? About their child? Si Ma'am. Ma'am Estano. Ano po yung masasabi niya sa inyong pagpunta dito sa ating Camp Rock, Aklan? Additional. Yeah.
Well, I'm very thankful na one of my daughter is one of the participants in this occasion. Talagang maganda talaga. Kulang pa nga eh, di ba? So, siguro next time, medyo magkaroon pa ng maraming oras para lalong gaganda ang outcome. Thank you.
More. Ay, katulad ka ng mga bata. More. No? So, munti ka na sabihin, wala na akong English, wala na akong fried chicken, umuwi na kayo, pwede ba? No? Parang gano'n, no? Okay, want to hear from another parent. Lalaki naman. Sir, bakit po naisip-isipan niyo ipadala ang inyong anak dito sa aming lugar? Bakit po niyo pinadala dito si Raymart?
Para may ano ba? May sila kasi sa drums eh.
Yung drums. Gusto niyo more pa sa drums. Okay. Sir, kayo po masyado po kayong tahimik. Sobrang bait po na. Okay, sige po. Mana sa inyo si Debbie? po ninyo, ako na lang magsasalita. Bakit po? Kasi gusto nyo, hindi po kayo kinabahan na dinala nyo si Debbie dito, ay isa po yon. Ang kine-check po ninyo by phone, pupunta kayo dito. Yes, ma'am.
Tayo na lang kayo.